Okay guys, jumping straight into this, geological geometry here, question sheet number 2, okay? So we're looking at profiles here. So the company drawn shows the ground contours at 10 meter vertical intervals on a map. In the space provided, this space here, draw a vertical section profile of the line DE, and part B is determine whether an object at the ground at F is visible from G, which is also on the ground. Okay, so we've got a line, this is a contour map here, okay, we've got our contours and we've got numbers in between them. Those numbers indicate the height above sea level that that section of the ground is at, okay? So for argument's sake here, this contour here, anywhere along that contour, that height, that is 70 meters above the ground level there. Okay, that section there is 70 meters above the ground level, okay? And what they've done is they put a line through a DE here. So what they want us to do is they want us to imagine if we cut down through that mountain, what would that give a view look like, okay? So what do we do there then? Well, everywhere that we have our line D cuts through a contour line, we're going to bring that straight up into our plan view here, okay? So we're going to project up all these points. Okay, and then we're going to go and take our lowest point, which is 40 mil, okay? And we're going to make 40 mil the bottom line here, okay? So that line there is 40 mil. We're going to step off 10 mil intervals above that then, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so that's going to be 40 mil, that's obviously going to be 50 above it, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? And we're going to draw all those guys across. Okay, so we essentially set up our grid here now. So basically we go back down here into our contours then, and where this contour line crosses our line D, that's 70 mil. So we come up there, that's 0.70. This guy is 0.80. 0.90, so on, that's 90, 80, 70, this is 60, 50, that guy is 40, this line here is 50, so we follow this up 50, this one is 60, this guy is also 60, okay, so we have 70 in here, but that line doesn't cross, so we're not worried about it. This guy is 50, this point here is 40, so we follow the whole way around. Sorry, I missed one there now, I'd say, have I? So that's 60, that's 60. This is 50. This is 40, yeah, that's 40. This guy is 50, 60, 70, 80. Sorry, jump on there, that's 80. 90, 80, okay? So the most confusing part of this is just setting out our points. Once you have that done, then we're going to just literally go back and join them up along, okay? See here in the case we've got 90 and 90. Obviously that area isn't just flat, so it comes up slightly above the line 90 and comes back down. Join up the rest of our points. It's a freehand curve, keep it as smooth as possible. Up again, up and over, down, back up along, in there, up here, that point is 90, and there we go. Okay, so that's our profile of that mountain. If we cut down through that line D, that's what our shape for our mountain would look like, okay? Part B then says determine whether an object at ground F is visible from G, which is also on the ground. So we've got F and G here. What we're going to do is we're going to join F and G together. Okay. Join F and G together. And what we're going to do here now, we're going to get a new elevation. Okay. So F and G there. I'm going to set up an XY line. Okay, go 90 degrees to that. Project up point F. Project up all our contour lines. Okay, and again we're going to do the same. So we're going to step off our 10s here. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. And we are going to slide them parallel there. And again, we're going to go with the ground line is 20, 30, 40. Sorry, I'm not going to go with this 20, we're going to go with 40 because 40 is our lowest point. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so if we come down here, point F here is on this contour line, which is at 40. So this is that point there. The next one's at 50. The next one's at 60. Next one's at 70, 80, and point G is up at 90. Okay, so that's G there, that's point F. Okay, and we're going to join them up along there. Okay, and the question asks us then, determine whether an object at the ground F is visible from G, which is also on the ground. So basically we want to know if I look straight from G, straight down to F, is it visible? So I'm going to join straight down to F. I'm going to do it in green here just to highlight it. Okay, and we can clearly see that if I'm standing at G and I look down here, F is concealed by this mount here. So no, that means that an object at F is not visible from G, and that's our question then solved. Okay.